Within the rolling plains and deep canyons of eastern Utah whispers a history ever changing with the wind. It starts with the source of life. In the Triassic period, roughly a 250 million years ago, water and wind carved the Wingate and Moenkopi formations, which sit atop the Colorado Plateau. These formations are 200 and 900 feet thick. The Chinle Formation is next, dating back 210 million years, then followed by the Navajo and Kayenta sandstone that make petrified dunes 175 million years ago. As time drifts by, the animals inhabiting the canyons are met with a new species. Navajo, Ute, and Paiute tribes roamed for thousands of years, migrating seasonally until the 1800s when Euro-American settlers took over. During the late 19th century, a particular point became extremely useful for cowboys to trap wild mustangs to both keep as their own and to sell. The point was only accessible by a 30-yard stretch surrounded by 2,000-foot drops to the river below. However, one set of horses never made it past that stretch, resulting in an eerie name, Dead Horse Point. This point would then become a state park in 1959, right before its neighboring area would become Canyonlands National Park 5 years later. Dead Horse Point is a rather small park, only taking up 8 square miles, though over 1 million people visit it each year. It also boasts a robust film history, making its way into John Wayne's The Comancheros, Con Air, and Westworld. As time bounces with the tumbleweeds, its history is still in the making, waiting for its next big milestone.